And coming to now back to this ECC and S4HANA. So currently, your ECC system is like, for example, you take Windows operating system, Windows 7, Windows XP. These are some of the old Windows operating systems which are very famous. Right now in the market, you have Windows 10, Windows 11. So your SAP ECC is like the old version, and your S4HANA is the new version. I'll tell you the difference between what is this old version and new version. I can just upgrade it, right? Why do I have to launch a new software? For example, if I'm launching a software, if I want to, as a company, I don't want my customers to migrate from one application to another application. They'll feel bad. So if I'm serving one particular customer, it's easy for me to provide an upgrade. Like, sir, this is the latest update from us. Please install this update, and your company's day-to-day settings, nothing will be disrupted. It is just an update. So you just have to turn down your system for 1 hour. 1 hour after the update, you will have the latest features available. This is easy, right? For me as a company, when I have the global customers, if it is for small company itself, it is a big problem. I'm serving the world's top companies as a SAP company. And if I launch a new product, what is the necessity for SAP to launch a new product when their existing product itself has a 90% market share? I'll tell you the reason. We are in the age of industrial 4.0. What happens is, in the world has witnessed many revolutions. The once upon a time agriculture revolution, whichever country has good manufacturing of this agri products, they used to be ruling the world. Like, they are the suppliers of world's food or demand requirement. Later on, time has changed. Whichever country has the manufacturing capacity, industrial revolution. So who has the scale of manufacturing? They were the rulers of the world. The companies who are doing that, they became the powerhouses of the world. Later on, what happened? Computers have come up. So instead of 10 people doing the work, the computer has started doing the work, and in turn, the productivity has increased. Now you have more number of employees working for each and every company across the world. So computers have changed the way we do manufacturing. They changed everything. Now, today, the age of computers is also gone, where you just load some data, you can retrieve the data. That's the computer can do, and it can do certain actions. But now today we are in the age of analytics. Whichever company can process the data. Suppose you as a company, you have the data, but you don't know what to do with it. But imagine you have an analytical application which can analyze who is going to be my next customer. How should I lure my customer? See, as a company, let us say I'm in sales department. So I will have I have to just push my product into the market. I need to find the right customer. It's all very difficult for me if I randomly keep connecting with different people. And if I have a plan already and who is the prospective customer, then if I go and pitch my product directly to that particular person, there is a 60 to 70% chance that that particular person will end up buying. I'll give a very good example for such company. You guys all know about Amazon. Amazon is now world's third largest company. It is just an internet company, right? How it became the world's third largest? They are just a platform provider for marketplace. They are just a platform for marketplace. You might be seeing in uh, we often go to market to buy products, right? So where sellers will be selling the products, and we as a customers, we just go to the shop and we buy the products. But everything that is done in e-platform. Normally, there are so many market platforms which does the same, where the buyers will keep selling their products, and sellers will be selling the products, and buyers will go and buy the products. But Amazon is a very clever company. What they do is, whoever is logging in, whether they are a male or a female, their age, are they in 20s, are they in 30s, are they are in 40s, or they are in 80s? So it will read out your all the personal information, be it male, female, your age, your gender, and your previous search history, previous purchase history, and your current search history and what are the current latest trends in the market. It will collate all this information, and you search for one product. So one person's hobby will be like playing a badminton or playing some sports. So he will get the list of all the sports products on his Amazon landing page. And there is another person who is interested in buying new garments and for fashion. So they will get all the fashion related stuff in their Amazon homepage. Some other person might be having a different hobby of plantation. They will get all the gardening related equipment in their Amazon landing page. Each and every person's Amazon landing page will be different. And one common thing that every Amazon landing page or every e-commerce website that who does this will have is mobiles. Irrespective of age, gender, everyone uses these mobiles. Okay, so that will be the common thing. Apart from that, rest all everything will change. So whenever someone logins to Amazon, they feel like, okay, I might require this product for my personal use. And there is a 60 to 70% chance you end up buying always on the this latest analytical platforms. So they just Amazon is just integrating the sellers and buyers with the analytical feedback. So that's the power of analytics. That's why it became the world number one company. Same way, now imagine your organization, whichever is a manufacturing company, you're just doing the you did some business previously, and you are just saving the data, and you are just you are not analyzing the data. There is no point. The customer who is already uh, doing some business with you, he might need another product, but how will you know? Imagine if you have a ERP application like S4HANA analytical application. So HANA stands for here highly analytical application. So this HANA is highly analytical application. Your ECC is Enterprise Central Component. So this is the old version without analytical features. Whereas your HANA is the latest one with analytical features. That's the major difference. How so? This is the reason SAP has to launch a new product. So for launching a new product, what is the challenge they had? So what is the design that is involved in your ECC, and what is the design that is involved in your SAP S4HANA? Let us see it.